Hi everybody, happy Friday. I hope you've had a good week so far. So I'm video recording my update, and there's also a typed version in Schoology if you'd rather read it through there, or if you want to reference that if you're wondering about anything that I talk about in this video. So I've talked to a lot of you this week. I know that you and your families are still adjusting to a new normal. So am I. All this distance learning materials that I'm providing to you, it's totally not the same as me being in front of you presenting new material. I understand that, and I'm really flexible. So if there's anything that I can do or provide or clarify for you or encourage you, please let me know, as I'd love to help you. Reach out with questions if you need clarification on an assignment, because like I said, this stuff is all going to be new. As we're coming to the close of week 1 of new learning, you should be working to finish all of the assignments in the Unit 8 Schoology folder by the end of Sunday. Today, I'm posting new materials for you to begin work on for the next 2 weeks. Okay, these are all of the assignments for Unit 9. The reason that I'm doing this is that provides you with all of the resources, assignments, lab activities that you need to complete for Unit 9. If you're trying to create a schedule for yourself, which is a good idea, the goal is for you to complete the activities 1 through 3, including the first discussion, during next week. So starting Monday through next Friday for a total of 3 hours. Okay, then part 2, that discussion through learning activities 4, 5, and the CASA learning assignment, those are designed to be done during the week of April 27th. Again, take you about 3 hours to do. You can complete all assignments in one day, or you can spread them out over the course of the week. Okay, remember, I'm here to help during office hours, which are Wednesday from 10:30 to 11:30. Remember, this unit is completely new material, so I'm going to be planning to use those office hours more specifically to help you understand key concepts and go over specific content questions. So if you can make it, I'd really encourage you to attend. In terms of grading for the 3rd quarter, you're going to be getting a pass or an incomplete score. If you're getting an incomplete, you can improve that score by completing missing assignments that are in Infinite Campus. If you have any questions about your score for 3rd quarter, please reach out. That being said, 4th quarter is a little bit different. The information that Arendaquite is sending out has told you that you're going to be getting numeric scores. And those numeric scores are going to be your chance to improve your chemistry grade. Okay? The scores for 4th quarter are going to be based on how you are doing on the required assignments each week. Those assignments include the check for understandings, the lab activities, and the culminating assessments. On every activity, you're going to have the opportunity to improve your score of learning essential standards. So for assessments, for those check for understandings, you're going to have multiple attempts to complete the assignment. Now, I'm going to suggest that if you do poorly on attempt number 1, then review the materials or ask for clarification from me, either through Remind, through Schoology, through email, or come to office hours before you attempt to do the next trial. Okay? On lab activities, once you submit those assignments to me, I'm going to be providing you with direct feedback right in the document so that you can revise and improve your understanding of the key learning standards, and then you can change and improve that score as well. After reviewing all of the scores within a unit, you are going to get a cumulative score for the unit based on the work you've completed. I'm going to continue to record scores in Infinite Campus so you can review your progress on the assigned work. Again, if you have been wanting to improve your chemistry grade, 4th quarter is your chance to do that. We are learning a lot of new material, so there are many opportunities for you to learn and improve. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please know that if there's anything that I can do to support you as you work to learn this new material, I will help you in any way that I can. I hope that you stay safe and know that you're in my thoughts during this time.